he had a studio kind of out a little ways from Santa Fe, and made this completely by hand. Showed us the process. There's even a place for your thumb.
Oh wow.
You know, and he actually made dishes, like entire sets of dishes. The guy was just incredible.
That's really cool.
But what's really sad is he kind of went off the rails mentally.
Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app.
Hi, Lucy. Oh no, you're fine. You're fine.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I don't want to buy all your stuff, but I'm going to buy this, and then I think I'm good. Okay. Okay, cool. I bought extra cash just in case you're out.
I owe you 50 cents.
You're good. Again, I tell you, we'll just put it towards the water or a coffee when we hike or something.
All right, fair enough.
Deal.
So I'll tell you what, the other thing is too, my brother and sister-in-law always give me, do you know that? Oh, my brother and sister-in-law always give me a gift card, too, like if you want to spend the night or something. I used to go into,
I love that. And I always game for some lunch, girl. Okay,
Yeah.
it's a
You know
date.
what, I don't know how you feel about that. I don't know if you're a meat eater or not, I am.
I am, for sure, carnivore.
Anyway, what's it, is that a friend here? Oh, they have the best tenderloins.
Where?
At all the state parks have the best tenderloins.
Really? I love tenderloin. I mean, but I'm Indiana through and through.
Yeah,
I'm
me
corn
either.
fed.
Yeah.
Love my tenderloin.
Yeah, corn on the cob, all that kind of stuff.
I love it. Oh, we're gonna get along just fine.
I know, we're gonna have a lot of fun. Oh, here, let me turn on some lights. These are just all women's clothes here.
Okay.
Was there anything specific you were looking
Oh,
for?
I just like to look around and.
I have an
cool
electric
things.
sander that I did not bring up yet.
Oh. Is it just like in this area?
It's in the basement. I can run to the basement and grab it.
No, I mean like everything.
Yeah,
like,
just this right in here.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Thank you.
This right in here.
Okay.
These two came and
That's
joined me
pretty
out.
nice.
Yes, they're neighbors.
Uh-huh.
Everything's loaded up, yeah. We're ready to
That's
go.
funny.
Joined me out. Yes, sir. None of this is for sale.
None of this. Okay, gotcha.
The new owner gets all of that.
Okay.
If you're looking for a TV, there is a TV.
Yeah, okay.
over here.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I wish I would have had this in Chicago. Like this thing
Oh.
is so clutch. It's so nice.
I know. Yeah, it really is nice.
It's
I
so
just in my new condo, I
Yeah.
just don't have the room for it.
Right.
It's my closet and my wash and dryer areas right off the kitchen. It's 2,450 square feet, but you know, in the
That's not
80s, they kind of chop things up a little bit. Now I'm opening up walls and moving.
Oh, good for you. Good for
But,
you. Oh, fun.
but anyway, it's just, I just don't have room for it.
I get it.
I guess if I stack my washer and dryer, I might, but
Yeah.
I don't really want to stack my.
No, I don't blame you. And actually, yeah, I have a washer dryer stack unit too, but.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I don't know exactly how much.
Okay, 5. I think I have a dollar on each of these. 2, 10.
Oh, I owe you $1 million. That's a wonderful person.
Absolutely.
I'm just so happy that it is. And you know, lampshades are really expensive.
They are very expensive, I know, and yes, they are. It's such a pretty, nice, it's nice, yeah.
Actually, it's
All right, well, you know, I got one more dollar to spend, because I know this is exactly the look I want for my living room, so I'm very excited, so
You're gonna find a base for
I
it.
can find a lamp for it. Thank you so much. I'm so glad I thought about it actually. I was like, I really wanted that lamp today.
Dreaming about all these things.
Oh,
all the treasures. Let's see, I'll take the virgin. I'll take
The
the
birds are all wrapped up in here.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna take this out, and then I can,
Okay.
I'll be back for the rest of it.
I'll take the picture by itself with the birds
Okay.
in that.
I'll be right back, Lindsay. Put her arm right off.
Oh, mine too.
I said a couple things right there.
Oh, good. Oh, I'm glad to see somebody get that.
It's kinda neat.
It's kind of a cool mug,
Yeah,
especially if you're a beer drinker.
right.
Let's see behind me.
Okay.
No, there wasn't, honestly, there was more stuff yesterday than this young woman that was just here.
Right.
She just moved back to Indianapolis from Chicago.
Uh-huh.
And kind of just packed up and moved because her parents are not well, and really only brought clothes and health with her. So she needed just about everything I had.
Really?
So she kind of cleaned me out.
Kind of worked out then, yeah.
She really did.
Let's see here.
That lamp is actually from our house. That's a really nice lamp.
Yeah, it's pretty.
If you want to, I've got a bulb in there if you want to see that it works.
Oh, okay. I believe you.
So, actually, anytime after the day, there are people. So my daughter spends the night.
Yeah, so cute.
So we took the sheets off her. She was calling.
Oh my goodness, you're so
There's no
funny.
bed bug.
You are so funny. No worries. I don't. Girl, no worries.
All right. I think I'm ready to pay you.
Alrighty.
Um,
We can probably do this in our head. I will fully admit that I have 2, 4. That's 3 on there. Is that 3?
yeah, 3.
7. I want to break that.
That's 5. So
12.
12.
I have a story to tell you about that.
Okay.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. I worked out perfectly, didn't I?
Oh, there's more though. I just
okay.
don't want to drag it over. So 20, 30,
Yep.
35,
Okay.
50,
Okay.
60,
Yeah.
and the rug. the big one for 20, so 80.
Okay, $80.
Cool.
Great, thank you. So I haven't, so this, my husband and I love New Mexico, as you can kind of tell.
Yeah.
And if you looked in that room in there. Anyway, we love the pottery from New Mexico. I have a lot more than this. Anyway, so this guy is probably, he's probably in his late 50s now. And he had a studio kind of out a little ways from Santa Fe and made this completely by hand, showed us the process. There's even a place for your thumb.
Oh, wow.
You know, and he actually made dishes, like entire sets of dishes. The guy was just incredible.
That's really cool.
But what's really sad is he kind of went off the rails mentally and no longer potters.
Oh, wow.
I was in Santa Fe 2 years ago and was talking to his girlfriend, and she said he's not doing anything. He's just, you know, he just kind of broke a little bit and went off the rails. So you got something that will never
That's
ever
a shame.
be made again.
Looks like he was talented.
Oh my gosh, if you could have seen his dishes.
Yeah.
They're just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So anyway, let me get some bags. too.
Okay. And I got the big bag too.
Oh, okay, great.
I'm going to carry out the rug first, and I'll come right back in.
That rug, I have to tell you, is only about a year and a half old.
Oh, okay.
And was used in the guest bedroom, so it had
Very little wear.
little
Yeah.
use.
Awesome.
And I brought the paper, I can wrap these things up.
Oh, okay. Cool. I'll be right back in.
I've got all the great things in it, one bag.
Oh, okay.
You can go ahead and pick stuff out. I'm not gonna bring this up, I can't get it all.
I'll keep getting this bigger stuff for a second.
You want to be careful with it. You want to get in contact, that's broken for you.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome. There's more to come.
Okay.
It's heavy, and I'm probably not to you. I've got it wrapped. But
Okay. No, it's good.
Is this everything?
There was a couple things on the table still. Let's see. Oh, really?
I'm so glad. I'm always glad when, I love art, and obviously you like that too, so I'm glad to go there and do that.
Well, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Take care.
Thanks, you too.
You're all set.
Okay. All right, good luck with everything.
Thank you.
Froggy, how you doing?
Good, man. How are you?
I'm all right. I'm Matt about the Pabst Blue Ribbon sign about a week ago.
Oh, nice, nice. Did it show up okay?
Yeah,
Good.
showed up great, man.
Awesome.
You packed it great.
Awesome.
Good stuff in
Well,
there?
not a lot of stuff.
The only reason why we're here is because you said something about the yard sale app.
Right. Yep.
Started doing it. Now
That's
we're
right, I found
running around behind you.
Yeah. Awesome, guys. Thank you. Thanks, you too.
Hey, we love your channel, by the way.
I-
We were just watching it before we left.
I appreciate that. Thank you, guys.
I love your little song.
Thank you.
All right, everyone, we're back in the garage. Not what I was expecting, probably not even what I was hoping for, but I gotta say that I am pretty thrilled with everything I got for $80. The haul definitely doesn't look like my normal haul, but I'm okay with that because this is some really nice stuff. Not to mention the lady moving was just a sweetheart. Kind of made me forgive her for pretty much selling everything the day before the sale was supposed to start. Ding! But anyway, I do quickly want to show you everything I picked up for $80. First of all, there was that gigantic rug. We've been looking for a rug for the living room for a long time. Of course, the reseller in me had to kind of comp it out after I got home. And similar rugs in that size, that brand, that material, all that stuff, tend to retail for between $300 and $800. So for 20 bucks, that was a bargain. And I gotta tell you, feels pretty good on our bare tootsies. But anyway, here's the rest of it. Picked up some really nice pieces of pottery. This is a handmade Navajo pot signed by the artist Ernest Watchman. Very beautiful. And then this pot is signed by T. Arviso. These are both going to go in the booth, and I think they're just wonderful. I see a active comp on one similar to this pot by this artist for $149, unsold of course. And I saw a very similar pot to this by this artist, sold on Etsy for about 225 bucks. I realize those are probably like the ultimate high-end, pie-in-the-sky type prices. Ultimately, these are going to go in the booth, and I can't imagine taking any less than 45 or 50 bucks for this one, and probably 30, 35 bucks for this one. So I'm very happy with those. This, I don't even really know what you would call this, but I just thought it was beautiful. It has a wall hanger on the back, and then it's signed by the artist down there. Not even sure what to call that, but it's going to look great on the booth wall, and I'm sure someone's going to want to have that in their living room. Grabbed this gripper here just because it was new in the package, and it was $1. Figured it could come in handy at some point. This picture is probably one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen. I don't know if the detail is really going to come through in video, but to even get a story behind it, however sad it might be, I thought this was a really unique piece, very beautiful. I'm happy to have bought it. Got a German beer stein. This could have been a home run if it had the lid. Unfortunately, it does not, but I was still happy to buy it for the price she was asking. I grabbed 2 sets of salt and pepper grinders. These, I can't quite figure them out. Perhaps they're handmade. They're really beautiful, I'll tell you that. But on the bottoms, they're signed Mars on both of them, and one says 1513 and one says 1514. So perhaps they're handmade, I'm not sure. But they're really cool and really unique, and they would definitely look great in someone's kitchen. And then this set is a Fletcher Mills set. I believe this is from the Marsala collection, if I'm not mistaken. I think these are the 7-inch ones in green. Fletcher Mills make nice USA made salt and pepper grinders, and that was a definite bargain right there as well. All this stuff here is probably small enough that I'll probably put it on the website for anyone that's interested, at least for a while, because I think there's some pretty beautiful, unique things. I grabbed a stack of picture frames. Honestly, I got these because sometimes I get things that would look nice in the booth, but I need some frames for them, so if I can find them cheap, I just go ahead and grab them. And these definitely fit the bill, especially this one. This one's a beautiful frame, I think. So some sort of random paperwork I get will look great in these frames, and they'll be available in the booth at some point. And then speaking of the booth, I've been needing a nice lamp for the booth. There was 2 of them there, but I let Sarah pick one out for the living room because we could use another one in there, and this one pretty much matches our living room, so we're going to keep this one, and then I'm going to put this one in the booth, probably in a corner, just to add a little light and flair inside there. Not really to resell, just to add a touch of ambiance, if you will. Grabbed 2 of these IKEA nut Hamburg lights in red. They're little clamp lights. These actually seem to maybe have a little bit of resale value for like $3 total. It was definitely a no-brainer to grab these handy little lights. And then the last thing was this cool Skull and Crossbones dish tray thing. I don't know if maybe this was like a high-end Halloween candy display thing. It's made in India. It's made of metal. Just really nice and really cool and really unique looking. I grabbed it because I think it would make a cool display in the antique booth. Maybe put like buttons or something in there. But ultimately, I just thought that would look neat on a table filled up with stuff. So I got it for the low price of $3. Very awesome, I think. So yeah, like I said, very happy with this $80 haul. Definitely not my usual comfort zone, but at the end of the day, we ended up with a couple things we needed, and I think we'll do just fine with the rest of it. So as always, I want to thank you so much for watching the video, but until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya, bye. When they hear that cha-ching, and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.